Hey everybody, it's Naturally Ann here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Hey sis or bro, what up fam? What's happening? What up? What do you do? That's for sure. But everybody in my city say what up dog, what up, what up dog, what up, what up dog. If you don't know, I'm from Detroit. Okay, so I really decided to make this video. I wrote this down. Oh, sorry. This video is going to be about why I love my natural hair. So I thought about this a long time ago, and I was like, oh, I should probably do a video about it. And I wrote the reasons down and everything, but I just never got around to it. So here I am, especially because I look super cute today. I wish I had like a cool camera where I could like do my thing, but I don't. So this is what I'm gonna do. Set my notebook down. Please guys, don't talk about me if I'm ever hairy. Like my armpits got, just don't talk about me. Shaving is hard and it's kind of pointless because it grows right back, and I just got to start getting waxed soon, but we'll get there one day. But okay, I want to stand on something. You like it? I love it. Okay, so down off my stool, and then I got some Air Force Ones on that my mama gave me. So I showed this outfit to say that I might. So I got rid of like a whole bunch of clothes, and by get rid of them I mean like I got them out of my closet and my drawers and stuff, and anything that I see that's worth selling I'm gonna like put it off to the side and probably make a video and put them on Poshmark, something like that, because I gotta get rid of these clothes and I need some money at the end of the day. So yeah, so back to, honestly y'all, doing that whole little thing with the stool was low-key a lot of work. But back to what I'm here for, why I love my natural hair. So when I first went natural, I honestly didn't think that I was gonna last as long as I did. My journey truly began in the year of 2014 to 2015. That was my freshman year of college. I talk about this in my natural hair story video. You guys can check it out. It's my it's on my thing as a channel trailer, is it? I'm not sure, but you know, my video is up there. I'll leave it up there for you guys to click it. My natural hair story. After I finished my first year of No Heat, that was in 2017. I did my year of No Heat in 2017, and I thought I was done with all this natural stuff. Like I was like, I'm about to go back and forth between getting my hair straightened and wearing it curly, and I really didn't do that because getting your hair done is expensive. It just really is. Like people out here, it is people that do like $40 press and curls, but look, you just really get what you pay for. So if I'm paying $40 for a press and curl versus $70 for a press and curl, like that 70 is gonna take me even. Like it's gonna be it. If I spend $40, it's gonna be a waste of my $40 because my hair's gonna poof right up that same day, no matter what the weather is. Like that's just how it be. And I just be like, dang, like what are you not doing that my $70 stylist is doing? Like I just don't understand. But yeah, I didn't do it, and I really think that my natural hair suits me very well. Like I am kind of like known as the light-skinned girl with natural hair, I guess. Like I'm not really 100% sure because I kind of don't really know if people like talk about me very much, but whatever. I am light skinned and I have natural hair. I also dance, and like people, that's kind of what I was known for when I was at Central. So yeah, I guess that's like my little identifier. But the first reason that I love my natural hair, well, this is really in no particular order, but this is just the first one that I wrote down, is that it taught me how to be confident in everything that I do, because someone will always notice. Someone's always watching, and it may inspire them. I'm kind of reading off my paper and kind of trying to act like I'm not, but it's not working. But like, I have little cousins that watch my YouTube videos, and it really warms my heart. And then I get messages from people. Now, I ain't even gonna hold y'all up. I really think boys just be trying to talk to me, but maybe they not. I don't like to think like that, but like low-key they do. But like, it'll be people be like, oh, my little sister watches your videos, and I just be like, are you for real? Oh my god, that's so cute. How old is she? Because you know, Niecy love the kids, so I be so excited. But yeah, I always get people telling me, keep doing what you're doing, because you know, you got good energy, you do this, you do that. It's like, yes, bless me with these words, because you know, sometimes your girl be getting down and be like, I don't know if I can do it. I just don't know. But then one little thing happens. I get a like on a comment on YouTube, or I get a comment on a video. Like, it's the little teeny tiny things. I'm kind of talking about YouTube. I'm not even talking about my hair. But no, seriously. But like, I have people who watch my videos and be like, yeah, my little sister, little cousin watches your videos. She loves your hair. This is her favorite hairstyle. I just like, I'm glad that somebody is out here watching and appreciating what I'm putting out. I put a lot of time, not as much time as I would like to, but I do put a lot of time into the things that I do for my YouTube channel, and I'm really trying to make it even better. I'm really trying. I know I'm gonna get there. It just takes time and money. But yeah, I inspired a lot of people. Like, not to like, I hope I'm not sounding like braggy or anything, because I'm really not bragging. I'm just happy. I'm just happy and excited that there's people in the world who could be saying, oh, Anisha, her hair did this, and then I was like, oh my god, I want to go natural. I want to try. Like, that's what be happening. So I'll be like, oh, everybody go natural. It's so exciting. And, you know, just embrace yourself. Like, you are amazing. You're awesome. Be that. Okay, sorry, I spent a lot of time on that one. But number 2, I love how my hair teaches me patience. That is something that is something that I never realized I'm lacking, and it's crazy how dealing with my hair is what shed this light. So like, patience in waiting for it to dry, patience in waiting for it to grow, patience in getting it done, patience in doing it. Like, patience is key. Like, you nothing is going to happen overnight, ever. Nothing. Just nothing. You just gotta wait. You just gotta be patient. Patience. And I'm still struggling with this, of course, because like I just said, all the stuff that I want to do for my YouTube channel, there's things that don't allow me to do these things, but it's okay, because I'm still here. We still rocking. But number 3, I really just love how my hair teaches me things that can be applied to life, basically, such as patience and taking care of anything. Like, it's really like, the natural hair journey is really like a part of your life journey, because like, you're still living life while you're dealing with your hair. Like, people think that it's just hair, but it's really not. Like, it's a part of me. So yeah. Reason number 4, I love getting compliments on how good I smell. You smell good is one of the best compliments ever. And then when it comes along with, oh, your hair cute too. Like, thank you, because I tried. I tried. Number 5, I love the community that being natural has brought me into. I can always find curl friends to obsess over hair and hair products with. Everywhere I go, if I see a girl and I like her fro, I will tell her. Like, if you know me, you know that I'm not that talkative, honestly. Like, I'm really shy, reserved, you know, quiet, all those things. But when I'm out and I see a girl with a puff, I'd be like, your hair cute, and then they'd be like, thank you. And I just love that. Like, that community just builds you up, and you just be, one person told me my hair cute, and I'm walking the rest of the day with a little pep in my step. Like, I know I look good, you know, I'm out here. So I love giving that energy back out. Like, when it's given to me, like, here sis, you take some too, because you know what, you look good, you look good. Okay, so yeah, my number 6 reason, and this is my last reason for this video at least, I love how being natural has made me more comfortable with being myself. Wearing my naked, I can't read, I can't talk. Wearing my naked afro and just letting my hair be free without worrying about the style and how it looks, and even if it gets ruined, is a different level of peacefulness, honestly. I love to get cute and done up, but I also love being comfy and relaxed. And I feel like natural hair, you can take a chill style and make it something that you could go out in. Like, it really, natural hair does take a lot of work, but when it comes to like trying to style it like this is literally, okay, if my try not to sing challenge video comes out before this, that's where these curls came from. Like, it's just the braid out. And when I first took it down, I was like, I really don't know, but I kept fluffing it out and playing with it all day, and boom, like, I just had those braids because I was wearing a wig. If my other videos with the wig come out before this one, I had those braids underneath, and like, this is what I got. And like, I was chilling for like 3 days. Well, I was chilling for like a day with those braids. Then I slapped the wig on for what, 2 days, and then I took these braids out, and then like, this is what I got now. And hello, I look cute, don't I? I think I do. Hopefully y'all do too. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These were the reasons I love my natural hair. If I ever think of, you know, some more reasons, I'll definitely just write them down and make another video, whether y'all want to see it or not. It's gonna come up. And that's that on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just said that, but be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, tell me why you tell me why you love your natural hair, tell me why you love your relaxed hair, tell me why you love your weave, tell me why you love your straight hair, tell me why you love your colored hair, tell me why you love your hair, just period. Just let me know in the comments, because I'm interested in you. I want to know what you here for. I want to know if we on the same wave, you feel me? All right, I'm done now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.